everyone, how's it going? My name is Paula. A month has passed since we went on this trip and I never got to do an intro, which is why I'm doing one right now. But to give you guys a little bit more context, Daniel and I went on a motorcycle trip in New York. We flew from Miami to New York and we rented a motorcycle in Peekskill and we were able to go up and down the Hudson River Valley, visiting small towns, purposely getting lost, meeting really fun, cool local people. We had such an amazing time and I am so happy that we filmed it all for you guys because this is definitely the most memorable trip that we have both taken. Something very special happened and I'm just really happy that we were able to capture it all on video. So this is just part one of more videos to come. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's take it back to the beginning of May and let's go. Guys, hi. Okay.
That was cold. That was wet. That was long. But it was fun. It was beautiful, but it was a mission.
It was a mission. So that was probably one of my most uncomfortable rides I've ever done. It was really pretty, but I'm not gonna lie, it was very tough. So we made it to our Airbnb in one piece, which is great. Now that we're a little bit more comfortable, especially the fact that I don't have like a huge backpack on me anymore while we're riding, it's gonna be a lot easier.
As soon as we got here, immediately we stumbled in, like we were zombies walking in because of just how much effort it took to get here. But then right after, you know, from the whole shivering mess of it, walk inside, jump right into the shower, nice and hot shower. Yeah,
so like while we were showering, we're like, I don't know if this is cold water or hot water because our hands were so numb that we're just like, it's both. Like
everything just felt like pins and needles.
It was really bad. Yeah. But now that we're warmed up, and the sun is finally out, we're gonna take it slow. We're taking it slow today.
Super fast.
Okay, so let's go have some burgers and beer. Good morning! It is Thursday, 10:19 a.m. I slept so much last night. Oh my goodness, I think I slept 11 hours. I really needed it. Yesterday was a pretty long day, so I just was like, I'm so tired. Riding in the cold and some rain is very exhausting. It's very exhausting to the body. So it was very much needed. But now we are refreshed, ready to go. We are on our way to go to breakfast. I'm ready. Everything's good here. I have my scarf underneath my motorcycle jacket. I have layers and layers on because, okay, let me tell you the weather. It is 47 degrees outside. I'm not used to that. I'm from South Florida, so this is freezing for me. The high is going to be 57, the low is 54, and it's cloudy outside. It's going to be cloudy for the next few days. We are trying to get away from the rain as well. We did get rained on a little bit yesterday. I don't think it's going to be raining today. Maybe not. Ready? All right, so let's have some breakfast.
Let's have some fun. This beat is sick.
Let's have some breakfast, guys. Woo. Okay, so we made it to our first stop. We are here at Olana. This has been recommended from a lot of locals. So it's like a castle, a church. I'm not really too sure. It was also like a really nice drive to come up, and the view should be really nice. So let's take a look. How sweet. Look at the tulips. Wow, it goes pretty far. Smells really good. It looks like there's a field trip because there's so many kids here and there's more kids walking up that hill over there. But it's so pretty here. Yeah, the view is really nice.
Yeah.
The weather is finally getting better. Oh my gosh, it was freezing yesterday. The weather's warm. The sun is coming out. Ah, finally. Now we just have to figure out our next stop and then back on the road. Okay, so we're on our way. We went down this like random road and I'm so happy we did because it's so pretty. There's mini Christmas trees over there and then there's rows of beautiful trees with flowers and dandelions, and it's a pretty secluded road, so I kind of want to just look around here for a bit. So let's see what's going on. Here's like the little Christmas trees right here. Look at the dandelions, so many dandelions. Look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna pick it.
Cute.
Obsessed. Hi guys. Okay, we arrived at our Airbnb. It was a really fun ride. We rested for a little bit, but I think it's time to get some sake. So we're going to a local sushi place just to have some sake. We're still not hungry, but it's only 7:50. It's not as cold and rainy and cloudy as it was yesterday, so I feel like going to get sake right now is going to be good. It's gonna be chill. So We're gonna do that, come back, rest, and do it all over again tomorrow. All right, let you go.